Hi, how are you? This is the presentation speaking task for stage 5 video, personal presentation, the last trip, and the next trip. Okay, now, I'm Carlos Francisco Ramirez Ramos. I'm 50 years old, and I'm a student of social communication at UNAD. Now, I want introduce you my family. This is my family. My family is composed by my wife, my daughter, and I. Okay. She is my wife. She is Nelly. Nelly is bacteriology, and this is my daughter. She is Natalia. She's a student, and she studies graphic design at the university in Bogota. Okay. I love riding in bicycle. I love reading books and watching TV too. My work is with part bikes and accessories. I am seller. And I want to introduce you my little town. My village is Funza. Funza is a little town near to Bogota, 20 kilometers. It's a commercial and industrial city. It's a beautiful place. Now I want to talk about a travel to Medellin 3 months ago, in January exactly. We were with my family, my wife, my daughter, and my brother and his family. We were visiting some museums and some characters too. We were the next day we were visiting Guatapé, Antioquia, the village near to Medellin. There we were climbing to El Peñol stone. That stone has 650 steps, and we were boating by the lake, this lake in Guatapé. The next day, we were in Medellin newly, and we were reading the metro and the downtown, and we went to Medellin Center, Plaza, I don't remember the name, excuse me, and we were reading by the Metrocable too. Now I want to talk about the next trip to San Andres Island. We are going to fly to San Andres on December. We are going to visit many places there. For example, we are going to visiting Johnny Key, this island near to San Andres in front, and we are going to walking for this beach. We are going to swim to the aquarium, but my wife is not going to swim because I don't know. We are going to boating, and finally we are going to We are going to know the Baptist Church, and we are going to speak with the natives of the island. I am going to drink a cold beer, and I'm sure we will have a good time in this trip. Bye.